Hello everyone and welcome to my channel CSC Culture. In the previous lecture, we discussed about various files used in C programming language. Now in this lecture, we shall discuss about what are variables along with its rules, what are keywords, data types and many more. Before moving further, let's discuss about bits and bytes. As we all know, computer processes memory of binary format, that is 0 and 1. As we can see in the diagram, there are 8 boxes consisting of either 0 or 1. These individual boxes are called as bits. Therefore, combination of 8 bits is called as a byte. Let's move into the data types. Before moving further, let me make you clear that there are many types of data types which can be used, but these 4 are common and widely used. Starting with the char. Char is a data type which allows us to store the data of single character. More than single character is not allowed. Char takes only 1 byte of memory to store the data, which is equivalent to 8 bits. On the other hand, int is a data type which stores data of integer format, that is, the numerical values. Using int, we can only store integer values. Apart from integer values, all the values throws an error. Size for int data type is 4 bytes, which is same as 32 bits. Now let's discuss float and double data types at once. Both are numerical data types which stores numerical values, but these values are in decimal format. Float data type stores the values with precision of 5 after the decimal point, as we can see in the example. Whereas in the case of double, it contains the precision of 16, that is 16 values after the decimal point. Lastly, the size of the float and double are 4 and 8 bytes respectively. Keywords, on the other hand, are simply common words but have a fixed meaning, and these meanings cannot be changed or manipulated. Keywords act as a building block for all the programs. In the figure, we can see that there are around 28 keywords supported by C. You don't have to remember all these keywords at once, but with practice, you will understand the meaning of each keywords. The next and most important topic is variables. The mathematical definition of a variable states that it is an entity that varies, changes, and can be changed. But talking about the programming definition, a variable is a name given to a certain value, and this certain value is stored in the memory. The stored value can be reused again and again in the program whenever necessary. Coming to the syntax for declaring a variable, we can declare a variable by specifying the data type, then a space, followed by a variable name, then a is equal to symbol. But is equal to symbol in programming word is called as assignment operator. After the assignment operator, we have to specify the value for the variable. Later, we have to end the statement with a semicolon. As we can see in the example, int age is equal to 25 with a semicolon is an integer data type with value 25. Similarly, char result is equal to p is an example of char data type. By comparing both the examples, we can find a difference in the values, provided 25 is declared as it is, whereas p is written in single quotes. Therefore, it is very much important to declare a char variable within a single quote.